Hello everyone, welcome to Lina's Kitchen. Today we will be making a French apple tart. It's very tasty and easy to make. First, we have to prepare our pastry cream. In a mixing bowl with a hand mixer, mix your egg, sugar, cornstarch. Mix everything well. Besides that, we are boiling our milk. When your milk boils, pour it inside your mixture gradually, without stop stirring it, because we don't want to cook our egg. And this step we call it tempering our pastry cream. Pour your mixture inside your saucepan again. Bring it to boil without stop stirring it. When your mixture starts to boil and become heavy and thick, pour it again in your bowl. This step is very important. You have to pour your cream in your bowl again to stop cooking process. Cover it with a plastic wrap and leave it in your fridge until it's completely cooled down, because we will need it cold. You can prepare it one day before. I draw my apple in aluminum foil to get a nice shape and follow it. I trace the stem too. Peel your apples, slice them, and leave them in water with lemon to avoid changing their color. Roll your puff pastry dough until you get a thin layer. Put it in your tray. Cut your apple 1 inch away from your apple shape. Gather your leftover puff pastry dough. Don't squeeze it. Put the layers one on the top of another layer, because we don't want to lose our puff pastry layers. Trace your stem and put it on the top of your apple. Stick your stem with water. With my leftover dough, I create my apple edges and I stick it with water. I covered my apple with other layer of puff pastry dough and I stick it with water. You can skip this step, but I want my apple to be more fancier. Loose your cream with a hand mixer little bit before start piping it. Pipe your cream all over your apple nicely. Take out your apple from your water and line them up nicely. Brush your apple edges with egg yolk to get nice and golden color. Spread some brown sugar on the top to caramelize your apple. With my leftover dough and apples, I did create a small apple pie. I didn't have enough dough to create my apple edges. With skipping this step, I got a nice and beautiful apple too. After 50 minutes, I noticed that my apples are not well caramelized. I added some brown sugar. I turned my oven on the top and I caramelized my tart for about 10 minutes. After your tart is completely cooled down, brush it with piping gel or apricot jam to give it more shiny look. I decorated my tart with 2 flowers and 2 leaves, and it's of your choice. You can leave your tart plain. Now my tart is ready to be tasted. I'll divide it in half to see it inside. Look at this beauty. My apples are well caramelized. My dough is well cooked and crunchy, and inside my apple is tasty and creamy. I wished every one of you is with me and taste it. It's very tasty tart. Hope you like my video and you will try my recipe. See you in the next video. Bye.